Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put your description for your YouTube channel. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com. And now you want to log in your account. And after that, just go ahead and click on your profile picture at the upper right side of your screen beside the notification bell. And now you want to click on YouTube Studio and you want to click here on the customization at the left side of your screen. And then just go ahead and click on basic info here at the upper part of your screen, okay? Right here. And now you can see the description section. So it says that tell viewers about your channel. Your description will appear in the About section of your channel and search results, among other places. So just go ahead and type any description that you want. You can explain here what is your channel is about, or about yourself if you want to, and also you can add a language. Okay, so you can choose in these languages, and so for example this one, so just go ahead and choose any languages that you want. Okay, and you can also choose the translation language that. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.